right, so all this week we have been talking about division and how to divide by certain numbers. So far we've talked about dividing by 2, 10, and 5, and then today we are going to divide by 3. Dividing by 3 is a lot of grouping to begin until you really get your multiplication facts memorized, and then you'll be like, oh, I know that one, and you're good to go. But until then, we're going to learn some strategies to help us until we memorize our division or our multiplication facts. So what strategies can we use to divide by 3 is our essential question. Let's start with unlocking the problem. For field day, 18 students have signed up for the relay race. Each relay team needs 3 students. How many teams can be made? Okay, I understood all those words, so now I'm going to go back and read for the information I need. So for field day, 18 students have signed up for the relay race. Each relay team needs 3 students. How many teams can be made? So how many teams is what I'm looking for. So what do I need to find? I need to find how many teams. Can be made. So we needed to circle all the numbers we need to use, which is the 18 students and 3 students per team. So one way we can do it is to make equal groups. One way we can divide is to make equal groups, because our division problem is going to look like this. I have 18 total students. I'm dividing them into groups of 3. So 18 divided by 3. So let's look at it this way. I have 18 counters. This could be anything you have at home, or you can use dots on your page. I'm good with anything. So it says circle as many groups of 3 as you can. Okay, groups of 3. There's one group of 3, 2, 3. There's a group of 3. There's a group of 3. And there's a group of 3. Kind of looks like red dot salad, just saying. So I've circled as many groups of 3 as I can. Now I need to count my number of groups. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 6 groups of 3. So 6 teams can be made, which means that you can write 18 divided by 3 equals 6, or 18 divided by 3 equals 6. Either way, I have 6 groups, right? 18 dots divided into groups of 3 gives me 6 groups. If I know my multiplication facts, I could say, oh, well, I need to get to 18. I know that 3 times 6 is 18. And that becomes my fact family, right? 18, 3, and 6. 3 times 6 is 18. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. This is a fact family, and as long as I know that, then I can multiply and divide, right? I could do either. Both of them work. So this is division by 3. We are doing groups of 3. You are going to go ahead onto the next slide and look at another way that you can, another strategy that you can use to divide by 3.